everyone. This is another insightful moment of the Meet the Child show. Right here, we're about to show you something interesting. In Germany, you have to know your lane in the street. This is a bicycle lane, and this is for the cars. When you miss your lane, you can get knocked down by a bicycle. Yeah, just a bicycle. This path you see here is for bicycle, and here is for pedestrians. So yes, the road is there for you. One way is for bicycle riders, Fahrrad as they call it, and here is for us, the pedestrians. So when you don't know this and you miss your way out into the bicycle lane, you can get knocked down by a mere bicycle. Yeah, just a bicycle. So we're doing this video to tell internationals, foreigners, those coming from Africa, Asia, all foreigners or all internationals have to note this. You don't use the bicycle lane. The bicycle lane is always on your left, closer to the road. That small lane closer to the road is for bicycle, and where I am standing on your right is for pedestrians. Right here you can walk and you will be free from any accident. This is the Meet the Child show. We do this for our fans and our learners across the world. Thank you for watching.